Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today is Tuesday, July 6, 2021. It is 10:15 and 58 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, brain cancer. So let's hop to it here. The structures discovered in brain cancer patients can help fight tumors. Date July 5, 2021. Source, Uppsala University. Researchers have discovered lymph node-like structures close to the tumor in brain cancer patients where immune cells can be activated to attack the tumor. They also found that immunotherapy enhanced the formation of these structures in a mouse model. This discovery suggests new opportunities to regulate the anti-tumor response of the immune system. Glioma is a deadly brain tumor with a dismal prognosis. One reason why brain tumors are very hard to treat is that our immune system, which is designed to detect and destroy foreign cells, including cancer cells, cannot easily reach the tumor site due to the barriers that surround the brain. And to fight the developing tumor, killer immune cells, such as T lymphocytes, must be activated and primed in our lymph nodes before traveling to the tumor site to effectively kill the cancer cells. Because of the barriers around the brain, it is a challenging process for T lymphocytes to reach the tumor. It was extremely exciting to discover for the first time the presence of lymph node-like structures in glioma patients. These structures are known as tertiary lymph node structures, TLS, and they are not found in healthy individuals. They have all the components needed to support lymphocyte activation on site, which means that they could have a positive effect on the anti-tumor immune response. The researchers have shown that the formation of TLS in the brain can be induced by a type of immunotherapy in glioma-bearing mice. Indeed, when they treated the mice with immunostimulatory antibodies called ACD40, the formation of TLS was enhanced and always occurred in proximity to tumors. Learning that immunotherapies can modulate the formation of tertiary lymphoid structures in the brain offers exciting opportunities to find new ways of regulating the anti-tumor immune response in glioma. ACD40 is currently being tested to treat brain tumors in a number of clinical trials. In the study, now published, the researchers found that while ACD40 boosted TLS formation, it also counterproductively inhibited the tumor-killing ability of the T lymphocytes. The study has therefore provided important insights into the multifaceted effects of ACD40 therapy. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.